All right, good morning. It's Tuesday, and we're going to continue our glorious stretch of weather. Starts to show signs of breaking down, though, this afternoon, and then we'll get into some wet stuff for the middle of the week. Temperatures are totally fine right now. Find a lot of spots in the 50s, including Portland and Bangor. Dew points are also comfortable at the moment. I do expect these to rise a little bit. Starting to show some signs of some fog, too, especially up in our mountains. Also notice a little bit of fog out over the ocean, which may play a bigger role later this afternoon and evening as it tries to pounce back in. For now, though, high pressure still dominating, and we await this low, which is slowly creeping into the northeast from the Great Lakes. And then it will stall over New England tomorrow, Thursday, into Friday morning. And that's when we'll have our highest chances for some rain. Mostly clear this morning, calm and comfortable. Again, some pockets of fog. You might notice them going over some of the bridges and overpasses near the ocean, and then also up in the mountain valleys especially. Otherwise, probably no issues for drivers this morning. Midday, hazy sunshine out there. It will be warming up, and the humidity will be more noticeable too. It'll be about 80 over the interior, 70s for the coastline. And then we really get into this onshore flow for the afternoon and evening, which will make it muggier, but drop temperatures a little bit, and also probably result in some of that coastal fog showing up, or maybe just taking over along our coastal communities. There will also be some thunderstorms over in New Hampshire, but a lot of these will fade as they cross the border into Maine. With that said, obviously, there is a chance for some showers in western Maine this evening. Highs in the lower 80s over the interior, 70s for the coastline. Bar Harbor just 73, Portland a little better at 76, Lewiston 80, Bangor 81. And the warmest spots of our state will be the Central Highlands and the Canadian border, where we reach the mid-80s, kind of on the hot and humid side for you folks. Tomorrow, the muggy flow continues, so it's a mainly cloudy day. And this low will slowly start to throw this front through us, which will eventually lead to some downpours. So I think the heaviest rain is actually tomorrow night into Thursday. And it looks like Thursday is going to be probably the worst day of the week, with clouds and scattered showers. By Friday, the low is starting to drift away and weaken. So while there probably will be a couple of showers around Friday morning, the afternoon looks better with developing sun, and this high should be with us over the weekend. It's not going to be as beautiful as last weekend, but it should be pretty good with a lot of sunshine, warm temperatures, and staying kind of on the muggy side. As far as rainfall amounts go, the highest amounts will actually stay to our south and west, Hudson Valley, Connecticut Valley, near New York City. For us here in Maine, it's southern Maine that stands the chance at getting the most rainfall, and it could be over an inch in some spots. But if you get north of Bangor, you're not going to see much, if any at all, from the rain from that system as it moves through Wednesday afternoon through Friday morning. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet, southeast wind 5 to 10 knots. Mix of sun and clouds today. It's still pretty good. High around 80 inland, 70s for the coastline. Tomorrow's mostly cloudy. Showers are possible, especially late in the day, high 70 to 75. And then we will have showers on Thursday. It will be cooler on Thursday, highs in the upper 60s to around 70. Friday morning, a shower lingers, and then it's better in the afternoon and evening as we start to clear out with highs in the mid-70s. Saturday looks good. We'll have a lot of sun develop, a little bit of morning fog probable, and then upper 70s near 80. Warm and sticky on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds, around 85 for high temp. So a good weekend. Yeah. And a little bit of rain in there. Not for everyone, unfortunately, because all of us could use some. Yeah. But for southern Maine, where it's been driest this month of July, that's where we'll get the most. So that actually works out. Yeah.